Nicest fish of the day too, right there, guys. What is crack-lacking, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Marshall Outdoors. Today, I am in a fish house, as you can tell, just in the old sleeper, dumping some footage. You're about to hit the lake. We are located on beautiful Red Lake. Woo! Let me tell you, there she is. Look at it. Is it just beautiful or what? Oh, I'm gonna finish dumping some chips and get out on that glorious ice, guys. There's some houses out there, not very many though. It's during the week. Hopefully the bite's hot, because I'm gonna get out there and do my thing here real soon. But for now, I gotta finish dumping some chips. We are in the house, just chilling. We got this house for 2 days. There'll be 2 more guys coming. We'll see those guys when they show up. But I'm gonna get out there and start pounding some of these walleyes, because I have not caught a walleye yet through the ice this year. And Red Lake's perfect place to do it. I hear this place is on fire right now. They are pulling limits and limits. So I'm gonna get out there, get after it, start jigging up some of these walleyes. Yeah, stay tuned. Just got done rigging a few rods. iFish Pro rod, a jigging rod. Grab my tackle. Grab my rods. Let's hit the ice. Oh yeah. Doesn't get much easier than that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here. We have arrived. It is looking glorious. Well, I've seen better. It's really soggy. It's raining. Your boy forgot his jacket, so I'm wearing a fleece jacket again, so I'm gonna be soaked. Came as far as I could away from everybody. Literally don't want to be by that huge crowd over there if you can't even see it. I'm gonna start here, drill a line of holes in, start shallow, work my way deep. Unfortunately, not gonna be much big camera action today with this rainy, nasty stuff, but I'm supposed to quit. I'm out here all day. So get the iFish Pro in, start jigging, and if this don't pan out, we'll just start heading out. All right, iFish Pro set. Let's get to jigging. Get to jigging, boys. I'm gonna start with a little silver and red spoon. Usually have pretty good luck on that up here. Tip that with the old minnow head. And let's get to jigging. Ooh, am I excited. First time walleye fishing of the season. There we go. There we go. Yes, first walleye of the day. Oh, watch this. Came in with a buddy. First walleye of the day. Let's get him back. Ooh, 2 of them came in at the same time. They were fired up too. These Red Lake walleyes come in, man, there is no messing around. It is straight down to biz. Straight down to biz. Here's the iFish Pro out here twerking. Out here just a twerking it. Check that drag. Just good. Oh. Ooh. 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 Good fish, good fish. Good fish right here. Oh yes. Good walleye. Good walleye. Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Yes. Yes. There. Right there is a beautiful Red Lake walleye right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gosh dang it, I am pumped, guys. Be back on the ice. Red Lake. Forgot the pliers, so don't do that. All right, there we go. That is a dandy Red Lake walleye. Let's get him back. Oh, yes. Keep them coming, boys. Just keep them coming. There we go. 2 fish at once. Oh, crushed it. Yes, shallow water walleye right there, boys. Oh, all right, hook is out. We'll tuck him back, I guess. Holy buckets, I love shallow water walleyes. Oh my god. I wish I had a bait puck so I could carry some minnows with me, but I keep forgetting it. Back to the sled. There we go. What? We're on. The camera's about as crooked as it gets. Oh god. Hey, hey. Nice dandy red lake walleye right there. Yes, it is absolutely blizzard conditions, and my camera is at about a 90-degree angle right now. That one's gonna be dinner right there. I can't even see at this point because my eyes are getting pelted so hard with snow. But we'll keep that one and maybe have the bar fried up for me later. So get a new minnow on this guy. Get her back down. Oh god. Oh, on baby. Oh, it's a good one. And it's just choked. Yeah. I'm talking. Seen him? Look at that. Can you say they're hungry? Sucks is I do not have a pliers for you. Perfect walleye right there. Obviously not a lot of huge giant fish out here on Red Lake, but 20 inchers like that, 17 to 20 inchers, lots of them. I think so. Doesn't get much better than that. Much better than that. I literally seen that fish. He came in. I ripped it one hard time. He flew in so fast for it. Blew about 2 feet past it. Ripped it one more time. He came down and just absolutely annihilated that bait. The iFish Pro has been just twerking today. Oh, twerking. Oh, ran on some serious lineage here. Ran on some serious line there, did ya? Oh, just another dandy eater for the frying pan. We're gonna add this one to the frying pan as well. Went through about an hour spell there where they were just grabbing the minnows and just dropping them, but now they're grabbing them and holding on. If you can see it down there, it's down there. So it's good stuff. Keep the iFish Pro twerking. Another beautiful walleye there for the frying pan. Sweet. Alright guys, this iFish Pro has been absolutely killing the game. This is third fish in about, I don't know, minutes. I think the bite window is starting to pick up. I mean, a little bit shallower than I'd like to be, but I think now it's getting close to evening. I think we're gonna really start putting some fish on the ice. Bagging. Here we go. It's like another eater. Yeah, I think so. We'll take that. Gosh, they're so white in here. There's another one, all spunky, frisky, looking all hot on that iFish Pro. It's iFish Pro 2.0, guys. Absolutely twerking it. Just twerking it right there. Another dandy eater. That's gonna be my third one. limit is 4 and 1/20, which I don't think you should ever keep 1/20. But that's the rules. I'm gonna keep 4 today, 15 to 17 inches. Those are my favorites. So we're gonna put this iFish Pro back up, and I guarantee it, it's not gonna take long. This thing's gonna pop again. It is insanely windy, like insane. But at least it's warm, so it's not like it's 20 below. It's not bad. Seen worse, boys. I've seen worse. Snow has kind of settled down a little bit, so I'm going to try and carry this big camera around as much as I can now until dark. Hopefully we can get some on the big camera for you. Had some perch down there. Oh, yes. Nicest fish of the day too, right there, guys. That is a dandy. We're in the mid 20s with that one. I'm saying 24 on that dog. That is a stud. Absolutely crushed that slender spoon. Oh yeah, boys, look at that. Talking Red Lake walleyes in a blizzard. It doesn't get any better than that. Let's get this big girl back. What do you know? Another iFish Pro. It's been putting work today. Probably said it a million times because it has. Hooked up. Okay. Pretty much the tiniest walleye I've ever seen in Red Lake. Get them back. Alright. Hit again. Another iFish Pro. Red Lake limit right there. That's a Red Lake limit, and unfortunately, settle down. All right, that is going to be my 4th and final Red Lake walleye right there. Good 17 incher. That is going to be a wrap. We're losing light fast. The blizzard is just slowing down again. It seems like every time the blizzard slows down, the fish really fire up. So. Didn't get to pull my big camera out too much today, because definitely because of the weather. But for now, I think we're gonna call her a day. My hands are numb holding this guy, so let's put him on the ice. Just greasing him. The iFish Pro came in clutch today. Got some on the jigging. It's been a good day. I hit probably into the 20s for sure. Got my limit, so we're gonna call her a day. We'll be right back out here tomorrow. Me, Murray, Sobe. We're gonna pretty much drill this lake up and put as many walleyes topside in the next 2 days as we can. So you guys stay tuned for those videos. Make sure to go check out Murray Fishing More and Sobe because they both pump out some pretty badass videos. But for now, I'll catch you guys in a couple days right back here on Red Lake. Make sure you guys hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we will see you next time.